dear students. Today I am going to teach you class 6 chapter 1 sea turtles. We have already seen that there are 7 species of sea turtles. They are olive ridley, hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback, and the smallest species of sea turtle is olive ridley and the largest one is leatherback. They still have connection with the land. We have seen everything in the first chapter. Now we are moving to second chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn about the breeding habituals of sea turtles. Look at the book. Between the months of January and March, between the month of first month and the third month, January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore. Ashore is the seashore, okay. Ashore at the night to lay their eggs. They come ashore to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as a turtle's front flippers will be front flippers is like a hand, enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on land. Actually, their flippers will be helpful for them in the sea, but not doing so in the land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously. Haul is with pull with a full of force, and laboratory is with a great force, and they dig the beach sand to lay their eggs. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Why it chooses high tide line? Because the wave cannot flush it off the eggs, so it chooses the high tide line. Here it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeter deep. It scoops for 45 centimeter deep, into which it lays about 100 eggs. How many eggs it will lay? 100 eggs it will lay, and each egg is in a shape and size of the table tennis ball. The size of the shape and size of the egg is in table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity, then it camouflages. Camouflages is it hides from the other peoples and animals. Okay, camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flipper. By using its flipper, again it closes the eggs. That done, it returns to the sea. After doing all the process, it will return to the sea, and the eggs are left to incubate. Incubate is the hatching of egg in a warm place. Incubate under the warmth of the sun. With the warmth of the sun, the eggs will get incubated. Okay, and in the next paragraph, till this we have seen the breeding system of sea turtles. Now we are going to see about the problems facing by sea turtles. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle. Actually, you can find the footprints of the sea turtle in the sea. So they will follow there and they will take all the eggs to its nest. Then they collect the eggs for eating. Actually, we are eating chicken, hen egg, right? Likewise, some people will eat tortoise egg. And the first problem is man, because man is collecting all the eggs. Then the next problem is jackals, domestic dogs and pigs to dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Actually, everyone has a fragrance from our body itself. Fragrance is smell. Everyone has a smell in our body. Likewise, this jackals, domestic dogs and pigs too found the smell of the turtle, and they will follow the place and they will they will eat the eggs of the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. After the incubation period, the hatchlings slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. With the help of tiny egg tooth, they come out from the egg. This is like a razor blade at the tip of the hatchling's snout. A snout is pointed nose of a animal. When most of the eggs have been hatched, when all of the eggs have been hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards. Actually, they come by themselves through the sun and emerge on the surface of the beach. From here, they make hurry dash to the sea. After they are away from the place, away from the scoop of hole, they will move to the seashore. Next chapter I'll continue in the next week. Thank you, dear students.